Hey signers, before we begin, let me share some exciting news. Our summer intensive enrollment is now open. Go check out all the details at our website. Link in the description. Now to our video. Hey signers, I am going to share with you the top 5 questions I was asked when attending Deaf Chats early on. Our hope is this will help you take that next step to attend that Deaf Chat in your area. Now, let's learn how to sign. First, what is a Deaf Chat? This might be also referred to as silent chats or deaf coffees. The idea is that it's a scheduled time for the deaf community to get together face-to-face and catch up. During this time, they might share the happenings in the deaf community or share information that can benefit each other. You can find local deaf chats in your area by contacting your local interpreting agency, school for the deaf, deaf church, or colleges that offer ASL classes. Once you have found where and when the Deaf Chat is, then go. This is where you might see these 5 questions I typically saw in my first year of my interpreting program. Okay, so what are these 5 questions? Well, the first one that's going to be asked is, what is your name? It's pretty typical, right? So with this, they might sign, you, name, what, you, your name, what, or name what. You can see all of those variations. The reason for these variations are because each deaf person might sign it a different way. Just like in English, when we ask somebody, how are you, or what's up, we're meaning the same thing. So how would you respond to this? Well, you just fingerspell your name. Here's a bonus tip. When you see somebody fingerspelling their name and then sign after it, they are showing you their sign name. And remember, only a deaf person can give you your sign name. It is considered rude to ask for one. Question number 2. Are you hearing? Are you deaf? Are you hard of hearing? So here are some variations of how they might be asking you. You, hearing you, deaf you, hard of hearing you. If you didn't catch it, here are the signs for hearing, deaf, hard of hearing. So how would you respond to this? Yes, hearing me. Or no, hard of hearing me. Question number 3. They might ask if you have deaf in your family. The reason for this is wanting to know if there are connections of people they already know to you. So this is how they might ask. Family, deaf, have you? Or family deaf? Or family deaf? Question, question. This is where you can sign no, none, or yes, and then sign who is deaf in your family. Question number 4. They're gonna ask you, why are you learning ASL? They want to know the reason why you are learning their language and wanting to be involved. So they might ask it like this. ASL, learn why. We realize there's a lot of responses for this. It could be friend, deaf, which could also be a coworker, a family member, an employee. Then it could be want to become interpreter, or just enjoying the language. Whatever it is for you, be prepared to answer this question. Question number 5. They might ask you, who is your teacher, or where are you learning? The questions might look like, teacher, who? Learn, where? Your response could be the college that you're attending, or the sign name of the teacher that you are learning from, or YouTube. Yes, this is the sign for YouTube. Of course, these questions might vary in your own personal experience. Just be prepared that these might come up. Once you go to your first deaf chat, don't stop. Try your best. Learn something new each time and make friends. Using the language you are learning is only going to allow you to grow. We also offer silent chats in our accelerated program. You can find out about this feature and more at learnhowtosign.org. Until next time, keep learning how to sign.